Jungle.
Welcome to Pune Junction. The station has a total number of 6 platforms and 4 foot-over bridge. It has journal, current and Divyang ticket counters and enquiry counters at the entrance of the station, and other passenger amenities which are present at the station are ladies and gents waiting rooms, sleeper and upper class waiting room, retiring rooms, ladies and gents dormitory, cloak room, luggage room, parcel office, food court, wheelchair assistance, and RPF. Foot overbridge 1 has stairs connecting all the platforms from 1 to 6. Footover 1 also connects footover 2 at platform 6. Footover bridge 2 connects all the platform 1 to 5. Escalators and stairs are available at footover bridge 2 at the entry of the station. Platform 2 and 3 and exit of the station at the backside. Whereas for platform 4 and 5, there are only stairs at one side. Footover bridge 3 connects platform from 1 to 6. It has a ramp connecting all the platforms, hence making it accessible for wheelchair users. Footover bridge 4 connects platform 1, 2 and 3 only. It has stairs to reach the platforms. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate wheelchair users to board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railing of stairs and ramp leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives the overview of the station premise and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. Scannable audio about the information about the railway station that can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways and IRSDC in association with Bridgestone and Samarthanam Trust and executed by Anuprayas.